is.
Hi, honey.
Hey, honey.
Follow me, honey.
Oh, again. You did not follow me. You did it once before.
Wag kang maingay. Don't say that.
Not funny.
Sorry, Abangir. Don't tickle me. Sorry, Abangir. Stop it, honey. I'm a little bit drunk, but I'm happy. I'm happy with my holiday, with my honey. Ah, look at guys.
Come on, let's go.
Medyo lasing ako, pero masaya ako. Kahit walang nagmamahal sa akin na mga kamag-anak ko. Abangir, I